Alright guys, I have both my A6300 and my iPhone going so you guys can get up close and personal with this connector that I pulled out that's just above the OBD2 port. This connector, now there's 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm basically going to explain it by row and wire number, which is box number 2, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Alright? So what he did was he went to row 1, wire 3, which is the red with the blue. Now if you follow it, he modified it by splicing into it twice. One here, one there. Alright? Now, the first splice goes to this wire right above my thumb, which is the second to last port of row 2. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Row 2, port box number 11, which is also a red with blue wire. He looped those together and spliced them in together and connected them, alright? Now, row 1, wire number 3, splice number 2 right above this one, that one, is looped into row 1, wire number 2, which is this one. Alright? Trying to get it for you guys. This one right here. So basically, it's just connecting the red and blue wires together because there's 3 of them, and one of them he said is probably bad or shot or, you know, just fried up, so it's not making good connection. So it's basically this one wire, row 1, third wire coming out is your main wire that you need to get signal from row 2, box 11, and row 1, box 2. So all those 3 have to be intertwined together to shut off all those lights on your dashboard. Also to turn off your no fuse. So I hope that helped. I'm gonna go ahead and connect this back up there. Yep. And there it is. No fuse. I hope that short clip helped you guys resolve the no fuse issue, and if it did, please leave a thumbs up and a comment down below just to show support that it actually helped you guys fix your no fuse issue and ABS, ESP, you know, airbag, whatnot. Oh, by the way, there was also an airbag issue going on underneath the seat. I don't know if it was the sensor or if it was all intertwined with the IOD. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace!